Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, some showers and thunderstorms rolled through the area yesterday. Things a little cooler today.
Yeah, Joe, we had a cold front that came through here late yesterday afternoon and evening. It come out of Colorado, and along that, we saw clusters of thunderstorms out ahead of it kind of build up and move off to the north and east. And then when the front came through, they pushed them off to the east. That shower and thunderstorm activity now has moved off to the east in central Kansas, and left behind here is amounts that range anywhere from a quarter up to an inch and a half. So it varied quite a bit. If you got caught under one of those clusters, you did have some heavy rainfall for 20, 30-minute period. It came in buckets and also had some smaller pea-size to penny-size type hail that did cause a little bit of damage to some plants in the trees, knocking some leaves off, and even some of the wind gusts up there to 55 miles per hour broke some limbs off. We never did see a warning triggered, however, and then there was some heavier rain up in northern Rawlins County along the Nebraska border, northern Decatur County, that had 2 to 3 inch reports coming in with that. So it was greatly varied precipitation amounts, but again, that's 2 days, 3 days in a row that we've had some rain coming out of Colorado with the activity. It looks like we'll have one more round, maybe two. It looks like tonight and tomorrow morning we'll see another disturbance come through. Right now, if it looks like you're south and east of the line from Sharon Springs to Norton, you could see those half-inch to an inch and a half type precipitation cells. If you're north and west of that line, it's kind of the frontal boundary is the cutoff of more scattered hit and miss, quarter-inch type stuff, tenth of an inch if you're up there in the Nebraska counties, upwards to a half an inch if you get closer to that line, say in Colby and Oakley. So as far as temperatures go, it's going to be cooler. That's going to be a relief. We've had the upper 90s to triple-digit readings for several days, and what we got going this morning, we got 65 out there in Burlington and Midland, 67 in Oakley and McCook. We got a northeast wind at about 10 miles per hour. This afternoon, those winds will turn to the southeast. We'll see another disturbance start coming out of Colorado. We expect those showers and storms, like we said, mostly to be south of I-70 there. High temperatures will be cooler. We're topping out in the middle 80s. Tomorrow, we'll head into the upper 80s to around 90. We got one more disturbance tomorrow afternoon that looks like it could bring some afternoon, evening showers and storms to the east of Highway 83. Once we get past tomorrow, same type of thing. We'll have morning winds from the northwest turning to the southeast in the afternoon. That disturbance will come through, and then high pressure will build in behind it Friday night, be with us as a ridge over the weekend and for Monday and Tuesday. That'll push high temperatures back into the upper 90s, low 100s over the weekend and Monday. Could see heat indexes going to 105, especially east of highways 25 and 83, where dew points will be in the lower 60s. So prepare for a potential heat advisory and staying indoors and hydrating and doing all the precautions once again here over the weekend and back to work on Monday. Good news is that ridge flattens by Wednesday. We could see disturbances coming back over the Rockies daily through the weekend and the first 4 or 5 days of August. Computer models are showing that we'll have some 80-degree weather again, chances for rain, severe weather, and showing rainfall amounts of anywhere from 2 to 5 inches during that period. So that is definitely something we don't typically see this time of year, is 80-degree temperatures and chances for rain that first week of August.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Zurich.